This is a short video that I want you to see. Yeah, after a heavy continual rain that we have in California, yeah, with snow everywhere, went to my backyard to pick up some stuff, and this is what I have right now. I have some spring onion. I have a lot that need to be harvested, but this is the few that I got this morning. Also, I have just one garden egg, and also turnip. Yeah, first time growing, so it looks good, and I have more out there to harvest later. Also, I have a lot of sweet peas this year. I've been having abundance. Anytime I go to my backyard, I have more of the sweet peas, and it tastes so good. Yeah. Also, I have my second cabbage that I just went to harvest. Yeah, it's not that big, but it looks good, and yeah, I have more out there to harvest later. It's growing. So this is something little that I just harvested, and I want to show you guys. So I hope you like it and be encouraged growing and feed your family with organic food and greens. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye. Hello guys, this is a quick video. I'm going to harvest my onions, spring onions that I planted, everything, and I'm showing you where all these onions are coming from. So when I harvest, I will let you know and see how many I have. Okay, bye. Hello beautiful people, once again. This is my stuff that I went outside after so much rain for the past week that we've been having here in California, Los Angeles. Yeah, this is my peas. That's peas, and this is my Kelly parsley, and some spinach. I have some few here, kale, and I have broccoli that shoot up after I've taken the head off, and also I have some cabbage. Also I have lemongrass, and also Italian oregano. Yeah, and tantana. This is my tons of onions, spring onions. A lot of onions. Wow. This is a lot of onions. So I think I can keep it and freeze it for the whole year, or maybe less, but this is a ton of onions that I have, and I just want to show it to you as I explained in the other video outside that I was going to harvest my onions. This is it. So thank you so much for watching, and let's keep on growing. Bye.